COSI on Wheels has been around at COSI for 35 years now, showcasing chemistry in a fun, hands-on, exciting, approachable way. This program shows them that chemistry is something that they're doing all the time and a likely career path for them.
The kids are hesitant at first because chemistry seems new to them. We're working today with the younger age, the K through second grade. But once the experiment starts going, they're very excited to see a reaction, something that they've been a part of, something they've created.
This is really a program that could not continue in such an impactful way without the support of Ashland as a science-based company, as an organization that's operating here in our community, and as an organization that really cares about learners and ensuring that they have these experiences that can help them connect the dots in science, technology, engineering, and math.
Our students absolutely love this program. You will hear them just screaming and so excited about chemistry. They are getting jazzed about chemistry.
I'll walk away from today knowing that we made a difference in a few kids' lives. Being out in the community and making a difference like this, it's just a part of always solving.
Asking why and being curious about the world around them is so important for creating lifelong learners, and that's exactly what we're trying to do with this program, and I think it's exactly what it does when students get to interact with very cool hands-on experiments like this.
There are so many challenges in this community. There are so many problems to be solved. There are so many things that need to be done. And so these students today that are going to have exposure to Ashland, that are going to have exposure to the It's Simply Chemistry program, they're the ones that are going to continue to solve these problems, continue to think big and critically about what can be done. They're always solving, and they're always going to continue solving in this community. Ashland has enabled COSI and enabled Liberty Elementary to give that to these children. What a gift.